Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about the controllers. So what is mean by controller? First of all, we have to understand what is mean by controller. The controller is nothing but it is introduced in the feedback control system in order to modify the error signal and in order to get the better control action of the system. In order to modify the error and in order to get better control action, we are going to introduce controllers in the system. The controllers may be introduced in the forward path or it may be introduced in the feedback path of the system. The controllers may be introduced in the forward path or it may be introduced in the feedback path. So, I am going to classify the controllers. If the controllers are introduced in the forward path, we know that a path from input to output is called as the forward path. If the controllers are introduced in the forward path, that controllers may be proportional controller, integral controller, derivative controller. These are the controllers we are going to introduce in the forward path of the control system in order to modify the error or in order to get the better control action of the system. Proportional controller is denoted with P, integral controller is denoted with I, derivative controller is denoted with D, or you may have the different controllers like which is the combination of proportional plus integral or which is the combination of proportional plus derivative or the combination of three, that is proportional, integral, derivative controller. So if you introduce the controllers in the forward path, those type of controllers are proportional, integral, derivative, proportional integral, proportional derivative, proportional integral derivative. If you introduce the controllers in the feedback path, in feedback path we are having the different types of, in feedback path we are having the controllers like tachometer, or it is also called as the derivative controller. So in the exam point of view, we are going to study only these controllers, that is proportional controller, integral controller, derivative controller, and proportional integral, proportional derivative, proportional integral derivative controller. So what are the different effects with the introduction of these controllers? So in the next class we will study one by one. So thank you.